Hello, little friends! Today we'll learn the names of baby animals. Let's begin! A baby lion is called a cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. A baby elephant is called a calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. A baby monkey is called an infant. A baby panda is called a cub. A baby fox is called a kit. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. A baby owl is called an owlet. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Amazing job! You learned lots of baby animal names. See you in the next adventure. Remember to like and subscribe.